nice look at that? That's a Ford Racing 427, made it to a 5-speed Tremec transmission in a factory 5 tube chassis 35 Ford pickup. If you guys want to find out full details on this, you know what to do. Today we're going to give you a comprehensive walk around and test drive to let you decide if you want to put this beautiful machine in your garage. Let's do it. So we sold this to a customer. It had about 29 miles on it. He brought it to the next level. He put about $10,000 into the suspension, the engine mounts, electronic steering, which was a big deal for this setup because when you're not moving, the steering is tight. Now it's not. You do have a Ford Racing 427. It does have BBK shorty headers and full exhaust all the way to the back. The paint is beautiful, so it's a satin red. We have a big radiator up there with a 24-inch Spal fan, and the brakes have been gone through within the past 60 miles. So this has low mileage, it is sorted, and it's ready for a new home. Your body gaps, it's a fiberglass body, so you're gonna have some imperfections on some of the door edges. You do have power windows, you have the Tremec shifter right there, and it is one of my favorite setups for the feel. So when you sit inside there, you have a really nice cockpit to drive your basically race truck around. You have your beautiful bed right here that's been lined in black, and you can see all the rivets for when they put the actual bed in. This obviously is not a functional bed unless you want to just bring maybe a beach towel. The wheel setup is fantastic. So you have a staggered setup. You have a I think it's a 9.5-inch wide wheel with a 305 tire in the rear. And look at how beautiful it is with the color combination. So you have that flat black with the satin red, and it really pops. Going to the rear, you have the old school style tail lights that are LED. This is not a functional tailgate because you have all your suspension underneath there. You have a billet cap for fuel fill, and then once again, we will have a receipt for everything that was done to make sure that this unit is turnkey in the listing below. Opening the door, you have these beautiful leather straps to hold the door out, and it opens up very wide so you can get in easily. You have a basically double bucket seat with a center console set up so you can put your arm on there, and I want you to look at how beautiful the shifter is. My favorite part, so it's got a Holley fuel injection system in it. So you're gonna put the key in the ignition, turn it on, you wait for the computer to kick on, you'll hear the fuel pump, let it prime. Starts up nicely, AFR is good. We'll have all the horsepower specs below. What do you say we jump in and go for a test drive? Before we do that, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have a vehicle like this that you want to sell to us, consign it, or even ship it, go to our website, submit your ride, we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Let's do this. All right, we're going to take this on to Marina Mile. We're going to go through all the gears, go through all the parameters so you guys can decide if you want to put this in your collection. It definitely makes a statement. We've got 55 pounds of oil pressure, lights operate, our windows work too, fuel gauge is working, tachometer is working. I love the built-in roll cage as well. All right, fourth gear. Drives nice. Steering's easy. The power steering's a game changer. It's fast. Going over bumps. No issues. Suspension feels good. Get downshift. Brakes are even as well. Turn signal indicators working. It's impressive.